You need this now. If your hard drive is making a clicking sound, every second you keep it running is destroying your chances of getting your data back. Clicking means the read/write heads are damaged and scraping your platters. Those platters hold your data. Every rotation scratches them more. Running a clicking drive turns recoverable data into permanent loss. The right move. Shut it down immediately. Don't restart it. Don't try recovery software. Don't open it yourself. A professional clean room can often recover data from a clicking drive, but only if you stop first. Share this with anyone using an old hard drive. You might save years of their memories. Follow for more data safety tips.